Hello everyone, my name is Vincent, and for today, me and my group, which consists of Arshad, Akasha, and Alicia, will talk about a product which is welding helmet. Well, you must be wondering, why did we choose a welding helmet as our topic of presentation? Well, me and my fellow group member are mechanical engineering student, and we use welding helmet every week in the workshop of welding. Now let me not waste your time. I will let my friend Arshad continue with the introduction.
Vincent, so what is a welding helmet? Well, a welding helmet is a type of personal protective equipment used in performing certain type of welding to protect the eye, face, and neck from flash burns, sparks, infrared and ultraviolet light, and intense heat. The modern welding helmet used today was first introduced in 1937 by Wilson Products. As we've learned from frequently going into the workshop, welding helmets are necessary to prevent arc eye, a painful condition where the cornea is inflamed. Welding helmets can also prevent certain retina burns, which can lead to a loss of vision. Both conditions are caused by unprotected exposure to the highly concentrated infrared and ultraviolet light rays emitted by the welding arc. That is why the welding helmet is important, and that is why our group has chosen welding helmet as our topic of presentation. As a mechanical engineering student, we also wear it when we are doing our projects in the workshop. Thank you.
Next, I'm going to talk about the features of a welding helmet. The basic helmet features are non-flammable face shield that attaches the welder's head with an adjustable strap. The helmet contains a rectangular lens covered by a protective screen. The lens is specially coated and darkened to protect the welder's eyes from the harmful light of a weld arc.
Alright, I'm going to continue for a characteristic of a welding helmet. For a basic anatomy of a welding helmet, we will start with the pad. The pad. It used to rest our head, and the helmet has a shield design to protect the head and a basic filter holder to hold to protect our eyes from the spark of the molten steel. Finally, it has a free floating headgear, so it can hold onto our head while using it.
Next is the basic functions of a welding helmet. Welding helmets are susceptible to damage such as cracks that can compromise the protection from ultraviolet infrared rays. Welding helmets also used to protect the eyes, face, and neck from flash burn, sparks, infrared and ultraviolet light, and intense heat. In addition to protecting the eyes, the helmet protects the face from hot metal sparks generated by the arc from UV damage.
So next is the strength and weaknesses. There are two types of welding helmet that is frequently being used, which is auto darkening helmets and passive welding helmets. Both of these helmets has its strengths and weaknesses. So the first off is auto darkening welding helmets. Auto darkening welding helmets are usually the more advanced than the normal welding helmet, and it is more safer, but because of the tech inside of the helmet, it has become heavier and costs more to repair if it is damaged. So next is the passive welding helmet, which I have here. A passive welding helmet is slower and harder to see through, as it requires the users to manually change the protective screen, as you can see here. But it is cheaper and more lightweight compared to the auto darkening helmet. It also rarely breaks because of the material, which is normally plastic.
Finally, we will move on into the final part, which is our recommendation to improve the welding helmet. Our team has a product that improves the welding helmet. It combines both of the auto darkening welding helmet and the passive welding helmet. The product is more lighter, compact, and safe for user as it uses silica nano fiber rather than normal plastic, as this material is lighter than normal plastic but stronger than steel, thus making this helmet safe so the user and will not get any burn damage for any molten steel spark. For the second, the protective lens have been taken from the auto darkening helmet and been improved, making the sensor faster and use less secretly, making it lighter. The head strap has been modified for fit any type of head shape so that user can wear it comfortably and it will not fall off easily. The build of the helmet has become smaller and compact, making it more comfortable for user.
Thank you everyone for listening. We hope that this presentation will teach a few things to all of you, and we all hope that we will able to achieve on creating this product one day. I hope that this will not just be a normal presentation, but we will be able to teach you all a few things or two. That is all from us. Thank you again everyone.